Hello, I am going to make crepes. The ingredient: 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of sunflower oil, half liter of milk, chocolate, 215 of flour, 2 envelopes of vanilla, and 1 bowl. For first, the ingredient in a bowl.
Dạ.
Next, after doing all the steps, you leave it in the bowl for 10 minutes. After those 10 minutes, you take a tefal, frying pan and also a large spoon and take a little dip and go around on it. The crepe is created. This is my crepe. Delicious!